wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best model boat kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Suitable for both beginners and intermediate builders, the Tasma Starter allows you to bring the USS Constitution, which became a national monument in 1905 after decades of action, back to life in the comfort of your living room. It comes with nails and thread and 6 paint colors. However, the instructions can be hard to understand. At number 9, it requires your own paint and glue, but once fully assembled, the Revell USS Missouri will resemble the World War II ship of the same name. It features 2 detailed Navy seaplanes and 3 movable turrets, and comes with a display stand. It includes a nameplate and 9 guns that can move up and down, but the small pieces are tough to connect. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Simple and affordable, the Revell T-Boat is a nice introductory set for a youngster getting into the hobby. The instructions are solid, and it's a great way for a novice to learn some nautical history and practice the fundamentals of assembling pieces and using putty. It includes depictions of crew members on board and multiple decals. However, it requires quite a bit of painting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Metal Earth Queen Anne is the next best thing to experiencing your own swashbuckling adventure on the high seas. You begin by using wire cutters to pop the parts out of small metal sheets, then follow the instructions to assemble the ship. It features a very detailed appearance and resembles an 18th century pirate ship, but it is difficult to assemble. Moving up our list to number 6, a large model at 27 inches long and 22 inches tall. The Artesania Latina bluenose will take some time to properly construct, but the wait will be well worth it. As long as you follow the instructions, assembly will be far more fun than frustrating. It includes durable brass nails, deck fittings made of strong metal, and high-quality pre-cut sails. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Revell LSM landing ship may as well have come straight out of the Pacific Ocean in 1944, with battle tanks and scout cars that look historically accurate. If you have a World War II buff in your family, this would make a nice gift. It comes with movable front hatches and 6 realistic cannons. The vehicles can be removed. At number 4, the USS Missouri, remembered fondly as Big Mo, took part in several operations between 1944 and 1991. Using the right tools, clippers, needle nose pliers, and a magnifying glass, for example, replicating it with the Fascinations BB-63 should be a pleasure. The durable parts don't break easily, and it comes with tweezers, along with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a reproduction of the largest ship in the world as of 1912, the Academy Titanic Centenary does history justice. It comes with authentic decals, and the smokestacks and cargo hoists look realistic. The package contains a display stand too. This one's ideal for advanced skill levels and arrives pre-painted, and unlike the original, it's reliably resistant to water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Tamiya America Battleship is a fairly advanced model, so if you're a skilled builder looking for a challenge, it's worth consideration. From the texture of the deck surface to the weapon suite, it should look like a mini version of the real thing when you're done. It includes a historical booklet, a sturdy mounting base, and a single-piece plastic hull. And coming in at number 1 on our list, engineered with plans provided by the renowned Smithsonian Institution, the Revell Constitution provides a welcome challenge for ambitious model boat lovers. It comes with nearly 1,400 pieces, so be prepared to sink your teeth into this one. It's 3 feet long when completed and makes a handsome display piece. It can be built with or without sails. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for model boat kits, or simply click beneath this video.